Hi, my name is Evan, and today I am going to be showing you the steps in how to draw an alligator. First, you're going to draw an infinity shape or something like that. So then you're going to start off in the middle and then go like that. Then you're going to put little nostrils right here. And go like this and then put a little line right here and draw a dot. Then you're going to make a line like this, connecting it with a triangle. Then you're going to draw a little oval right here and a little dot. And then you're going to put a little bit of teeth, 1, 2, and a smile. And then you're going to add little hairs and this and this. And you can pause the video if you want to. And then you're going to add the teeth like that. And little eyebrows. And then there's the head. Then you're going to draw the body, which starts right here and right here. You can draw those lines if you want. And then you're going to draw the belly right there. Then you are going to draw this. So you're going to start from right here and go right here. Then a little swirly line right there. Then you're going to draw this and this. See that? Okay. And then you're going to connect these lines like this. So then you're going to draw little arms. With little tiny lines as claws. Then you're going to draw another one like this. And then you're going to draw this line, this line, this line, and this line. And then you can add little spikes right on the tail. Then you can add 3 little spikes on the head, like me. And then you're going to add the feet. So put a circle right here and then a little triangle at the end. And then you can put a line in here and like that. And then you can do this. And there you go. Here's your crocodile. Keep drawing.